everybody, happy Sunday. Today is May 15th. It is my mother's birthday, so I gotta call her after I'm done couponing. But I am here to say, hey everybody, I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. It is finally decent weather here in Wisconsin. It was 92 degrees, 95 degrees the other day. It was crazy. But anyways, I'm at Walgreens right now, and we are gonna go inside and do some deals. There is some digital deals that I want to do. There's some manufacturer coupon deals, and hopefully we can get some IBOTTA deals. I need 4 IBOTTA rebates to finish the weekend warrior, so I'm hoping to hit it while I'm at Walgreens. If not, I'm definitely going to hit it while I will be at CVS. But what I do is I go in the store and I walk around the store, show you guys deals, some deals that I might do, some deals that I do, and then I will come back and show you guys kind of more of a thorough walkthrough of the deals that I got. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. But let's go save some money and have fun shopping. The Rimmel Makeup is on sale for 40% off. Now we do have some $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago, plus we have some in our inserts from today. But we do have a $2 off eye coupon, so you guys could use the $2 off coupon for the mascara, some of the eyeshadow, the eyeliner. There is some for $3.59, and then we also have the $1 for off any other products, so you guys can use that for the lips or the face products if you need to use any of those coupons. The Garnier Whole Blends are on sale this week for 2 for $7. We do have a $4 off insert coupon, or there is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, either one, but you'll get them for $3 or just $1.50 each. We have the Crest toothpaste for $3, and we also have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you want to use. When you purchase 2 of them, you get a $4 registry reward. So you're going to pay $4 for 3 of either the toothpaste or the toothbrushes, but you'll get that $4 registry reward back, making all 3 items absolutely free. The Colgate Toothbrushes are on sale this week for $2.99, along with the Colgate Toothpaste for $2.99. Now we currently have a $1 off digital coupon for the Colgate Toothpaste. I actually have 2 $1 off digital coupons, so it just depends on what deal you want to do. But then we also have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes, so you can mix and match. We also have $1 off printable coupons that we just received on coupons.com. But you want to buy 2 of them, mix and match however you want to do. You'll pay $3.98, but when you purchase 2 Colgate products, you get a $4 registry reward, making both of these absolutely free. The Palmolive dish soap this week is on sale for 99 cents. We do have a 50% off digital coupon that you guys can use, making this just 49 cents. The Bactine is $9.99. We do have a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $2 off, plus we have a $1.50 off digital coupon that you can use. You end up just paying $6.49 for both of them, or for one of them, but there is a $5 rebate with IBOTTA, making your final price for this just $1.50. The Pantene is on sale this week for $4. Now we do have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $9 for 3 of them, but you get a $4 registry reward when you purchase the 3. Comes out to be $5 or $1.66 each. Make sure you guys are checking out your candy. These Twix bars are just 18 cents, and I have a craving for those. We also have some gum for 39 cents. I'm also seeing some jelly beans for 39 cents and Twizzlers. We got some of the caramel apple suckers for just 47 cents. And we have some peanuts and all that stuff. And make sure you guys are checking out your clearance aisle for the candy. We have the Sour Punch. My store is sold out of the other ones, but these are 2 for $3. You would pay $3 for it, but then there is a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate, making these just $1.50, so it's limit 2, so you get $1.50 back. So these come out to be just $1.50 or 75 cents each. Some more candy. This Trident Vibes is actually on sale on clearance for 50 cents, and then it's buy one get one 50% off. So you guys would just get 2 of these for 75 cents. I will pick the tag up. We have this gum for 49 cents, 79 cents, $1. We have 50 cents. So make sure you guys are checking out your candy. I also found some Fruit Strike gum for 15 cents. I have an awesome digital coupon for these. I'm not doing this deal, but it's still an awesome deal. So the Charmin is $8.99, and I actually have an 8 off of 3 digital coupon that is working for this one. So if you guys need some toilet paper, that is a great deal. If you need some aluminum foil this week, these are 2 for $2. So that is an awesome deal for aluminum foil. We have the Vanity Fair napkins for $2.49. Now there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it $1.49. But we do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you can stack it. You guys will just get these for 99 cents for 80 napkins, and they are super thick. That is an awesome deal. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now this week is a little slow, but I actually got some pretty great deals that I'm here to share with you guys. The one deal that I am so stoked about is the Talenti Raspberry Gelato Ice Cream, whatever, sorbetto, whatever. Anyways, these were $6.49. We just received some 2 off of 2 digital coupons. I figured this deal out in the car, so I didn't do it in the little video, so you still have to do this deal. But you want to use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You would end up paying $10.98 for 2 of these. But with IBOTTA, there is a $1 rebate, so you'll get $2 back with IBOTTA, and you get 100% points back with Fetch Rewards. So that is $12.98 you'd get back with Fetch Rewards. So both of these come out to be a $4 moneymaker. $4 moneymaker. That is a great deal. So definitely check that out. I have a cooler in my trunk, thankfully, that I can put these in. So I'm going to put those in my trunk. Another thing I got to put in my trunk before they melt is I got these Twix candy bars. These are just 18 cents, you guys. I absolutely love Twix, and these don't expire till January. So you can't go wrong with some Twix. I bought a bunch of them because, like I said, I absolutely love Twix. So I got those for 18 cents. I got my son some fruit stripe gum. This was just 15 cents. There's a lot of candy on clearance that you guys definitely want to check out. I ended up getting the Vanity Fair napkins. Now I used to always buy the cheap napkins. Before I started couponing, I always bought the cheapest napkins, you know, the ones you barely touch and they fall apart, because I'm just a cheap person. But now we've been using the Vanity Fair ones because I get these from couponing and they're really good quality and you get a bunch of them. So yes, so these were $2.49. How did I not write this down? It's awesome. $2.49. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys want to use, and then there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You will just get this for 99 cents. 99 cents for 80 napkins, and those are like really thick. That is a great deal. My store did not have any on the shelf, so I asked if they had any in the back, and he's like, we have 1 left, and I'm like, I will take it. I will take it. Yes. So I ended up also getting the Complete Home aluminum foil. It is grilling season. My husband actually grills a lot, and then he puts the aluminum foil after he takes it off the grill to let like the juices and stuff simmer in it. But you can't go wrong when there's aluminum foil for $1. These are each 2 for $2, so $1 each. You definitely want to go ahead and check these out. It's 25 square feet. I mean, it's not much, but hey, for $1, and these are cheaper than the Dollar Tree, I will take them. I will take them. So I also got some of these Sour Punch mini bites. These were 2 for $3. You guys would get 2 of them for $3. But then there's an IBOTTA deal for 75 cents times 2. So you'll get these for $1.50 or just 75 cents each. Great, great deal. I ended up getting the Colgate Toothpaste, and I also got the Colgate Toothbrushes. Where is the toothpaste? Really? Huh? I know I bought it. It's like probably right in front of my face. Oh, here it is. Okay. I ended up getting these items. These were $2.99. I used a $1 off digital coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $3.98 for this, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2. These come out to be absolutely free. I also got the Oral-B toothbrushes. These were $3 on sale, so you get 3 of them. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, so you'll buy the 5. You'll pay $4 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $4 register reward for buying 3 of these, or for buying 2 of them, you get the $4 register reward. But it doesn't matter because all 3 of them come out to be for free. So you can't go wrong with free toothpaste or toothbrushes. I ended up getting some of the Palmolive dish soap. These were 99 cents. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You just get this little bottle for 49 cents, which is a great deal. I decided to change up the smell, the scent a little bit and get this one. So yes. We also got the Bactine Max. Now this was $9.99. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that you guys can use, and then there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so that is $3.50 for savings. You would get this for $6.49, but when you submit your receipt with IBOTTA, you get $5 back, making this just $1.50. And right now, my daughter is completely just, her whole knees are just crazy, so I don't know if this stuff would help her with her knees, but she is just all beat up from falling down. She's just a very adventurous little girl. But for $1.49, I think that's a pretty good deal. And then I also got one more deal to share with you guys. I got the whole blends. These were 2 for $7. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon or a insert coupon, but you would get these for $3 or $1.50 each. So my total came to $31.12. Now keep in mind, I paid with points for everything. Most of the deals I pretty much paid with points. And then I also paid with register rewards, but those are not factored in my price. With points, I ended up getting $5.29 back. I had a deal where if I spent so much, I got $5 back. And then I did receive $8 worth of register rewards. I also got 13,160 points with Fetch Rewards. That's $13.16. With IBOTTA, I received $8.50. So I only did 3 IBOTTA rebates. So definitely I will be hitting it when I go to CVS today for my bonus. But my grand total came to be a $3.83 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely for free. Plus I made a profit. But yeah, my husband's calling me, and I have no idea where my phone is. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.